Hi guys, I'm Dom, or Dizzy Slay MUA. Let me just start off by saying that this is weird. Me talking into a camera saying hey guys and it's no one there but me, pretty weird. But I'm doing it anyway. So I'm excited because I just got my box from Crown Case, and in here I have my Watch Me Blush palette, and I got the phone case. Sophie's gonna be lit, literally. I'm excited. So I wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm going to do swatches on my arm. Excuse my purple fingers, I'm dyeing a wig right now. Guess what color it's gonna be? I'm excited. So this isn't my first purchase from Crown Case. I have their eyebrow pomade. I use dark brown. I got the bundle, so it came with the concealer palette, which I also like, and Anglola. You can't tell me nothing about this. I put this shit on my cheeks. I put it right here. I put it right here. I go right under my eyebrow. Don't look too close because they need to be done. Enough of me talking. Let's get to what we came here for. So it comes in this cute box. Of course, everything was wrapped up in bubble wrap. My husband opened my box before I got home. So I was like, just don't touch anything else. Don't touch anything else. It has to be authentic. So I love the box. Super official. It's like, I don't know, because I saw on Instagram that they had the new boxes, and I was just like, I wonder if my purchase is big enough to get a new box. It was. So here we have the lighted case. I have the Galaxy S8, which I'm glad they had a case for, because everything is like catered to iPhones. So boom. Oh shoot, I'm hyped. I'm sorry, excuse me. I had a glass of wine or two. That's the back. And then I press it again. Both. So if my friend is like, oh, I need light, I'm like, but I need light. Look at both of us. Lit. I'm excited. So this is the Crown Case phone case. I'll put on my phone after this. After this video, I'm recording on my Samsung. I hope you like the quality. I said I was drinking. Or maybe I said it in my head. One of my favorite wines. Let me just plug that real quick. Ooh. And no, I did not do the whole bottle today. No, I did not do the whole bottle by myself. I'm a lady. So next in our box. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Ooh, watch me, watch me. I'm so excited because I really want an eyeshadow palette from them. I really wanted one. And I've been following Crown Case for months, if not longer. And I was just always scared about getting the box of Crown's palette because I'm like, oh, I'm scared to use colors, but now I'm getting more out there and open. And of course, when I went to buy it, everyone's on it, so it wasn't in stock. The Raw Sauce palette, I don't believe was in stock, but this Watch Me Blush, it was in stock. So this was the cover. I just took it off. Sorry, I should have showed you. And let's open it. Bruh. Oh, you want to see my little ghetto stand for my phone? It was a mannequin head and it ripped. It broke. So I was like, well, we're gonna cut this joint. But yes, anyway, look at these colors. There's some, let me move over. They are freaking beautiful. This right here is the main reason why I got it. Lately, I've been putting blue right here on my lash line, and it has made like all my makeup looks pop lately. So I'm excited. And that color is called Outsider. I would like it, I guess. So I guess we can start by swatching these. We'll go right across. How should I open my phone for this? YOLO. So this first one is called Cobbler. I'm going to like that. You know what? That's my skin tone. I might use that under. Let me go over it some more. Yeah, that's my color. It's coming up because like I'm like low-key ashy. I don't know if you can see it. That's Cobbler. The next one that we're going to do is this one right here, Tangerine. Let me wipe my finger off. I'll just wipe it on my pants. YOLO. Next one is Tangerine. Ooh, that's a pretty orange. Look at that. Look at that. I'll do that right here. Ooh, that came up good. That came up really good. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna tear that tangerine joint up. Ooh. Okay, sorry, I'm wiping that off on my pants. Our next color is this one right here. This is cranberry. I'm just gonna do a little cranberry. Oh, that is sexy as hell. Oh, I guess I'll show you guys. Why did I choose to hold my arm in this awkward ass position? Bro. Let's just talk about how I have never had a red eyeshadow. Ever. I've never seen a red eyeshadow. And there's so much excitement going on in my head right now. Do you see that? Oh my fucking god. Alright, let me wipe that off. Alright. This next color is berries. Matches my finger. Oh, that's bomb as hell. Berries. Then we have hot cocoa. That girl right there. That's me, hot cocoa. I'm trying to do this like on a better part on my arm so that you can see it. There we go. Hot cocoa. Right, then we have, oh, my favorite one, Outsider. Let me show you guys again. Outsider is like this pretty shimmery teal. So this whole top row that I did, they were all mattes. I love it. We have 5 mattes, we have 5 shimmers. So we're going to do this one. Oh, please make me like it. Please make me like it. Oh, and let me just say how these are so smooth. They're like velvety smooth. I love how they feel. So that is our Outsider. Maybe I shouldn't cuss in these videos. Bitch. Like, I'm sorry, it's like the first word that comes to mind because I get really excited. Alright, I'll put that right here. You guys can see it better here. Ooh la la. La la. I'm all up in this camera, all up in this light. I didn't even do a boogie check. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. Hi, pretty. Alright, I'm gonna write that. Ooh. This one is called Strawberry Cream. So I'm trying to make sure that when I hold my arm up that you can see it all. There it is. It's like a pretty pinky, like a faint pinky, like a faint red, a reddish pink, a pretty pink. I don't know how to describe it, but I know I'm gonna use it because it's shit cute. Ooh, Old Banana. It sounds trifling, but it's so pretty. And it's like, I love bananas. I've been ODing on bananas lately too, so this put me all the way in my mood. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see it? Banging. All right, Old Banana. Right here. I can see these 3 right here. Making babies. Being cute and shit. And stuff. I gotta watch my language on these videos. You never know who's watching. This one is Cappuccino. Alright, Cappuccino. Make me happy. Yo, I am like so hyped up these colors. Like, it's like no effort even into like just touching it and throwing it on. Like, it comes right on. This is so banging. All right, and our 10th color, our 5th shimmer, Sweet Tea. Sweet tea for our final one. Ew, don't look at my black ass elbows. Oh yes, sweet tea, sweet tea. So here you have all of them. I'll see what they all are again from the top. Again, the cobbler is hard to see because that's like more of my skin complexion. But that's our first one. Our first one is cobbler. Then we have tangerine, cranberry. Oh my god, they don't begin. Then we have berries, hot cocoa, outsider, yes, strawberry cream, old banana. You know what? I was saying cappuccino. It's cappuccina because she's a lady. Cappuccina. Yes, girl. Let me get up on it so you can see. Cappuccino, and then we have our sweet tea. So you see our mattes. Our mattes up there. And then we have all shimmers. So I'm super excited. I love the texture of all of them. I didn't have to use a lot of product. You see, I just went like, ooh, I almost dropped it. Anyway, I didn't have to use a lot of product to get these colors to show up. I just went like swivel, swivel, psh, line on the arm, and it came up. I am so excited to see what I can create with my face. And this is a big mirror. I really underestimated it because you see a lot of eyeshadow palettes that come with mirrors, and it'd be like this big, and it's like, how am I doing my makeup? How? I could legit take this with me. Sorry, styrofoam from that mannequin I cut. I can legit take this with me and do my face, like my whole face with this mirror, because it's big enough that you can see everything. I can see that I need a face mask, and to reglue this wig, that's not gonna happen tonight though. But yes, that's all I got from them. I'm gonna put that back in the case. I'm excited. I'm going to put my phone case on tonight though. Stay tuned. I'll definitely be doing a video of how these go on my eyes. I'll probably just do like a whole little crown case mix with their pomade, with their concealer palette, everything. Every face I do gets Anglola. I don't even think about any other highlighters. There are no other highlighters. Only one crown case. That's crazy. So I'll think of a way to do something with all of them. Like, look at this. Ooh, double chin's popping. Sorry if I talk too much in this video. It is like my first YouTube video. Really, I delete all my other ones so you have no proof that they ever existed. Okay, I'm really getting serious into this. I hope that you guys like it. Follow me on Instagram at DizzySlay_MUA. I'll make sure I have that somewhere written so that you guys will see. Tell me how you like it. These swatches will be on my Instagram. You're gonna see everything. Don't worry. The swatches are gonna be clear. I'm gonna actually do it at a better angle so that you can see. If you actually took your time out to watch this video, thank you. Because all support is good support, whether you like my video or whether you don't. I hope that I helped somebody in some way. Sorry, I had a long day. And that shit is really good. I hope it was helpful. I hope that you go out and buy this palette because it's definitely worth it. You get 10 amazing colors, like I said, 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. I'm so freaking excited. So stay tuned for more. I probably said bye like 5 times in like the past 30 seconds. It's just I don't know when to stop talking. Okay, bye.